guys, welcome back. It's extremely cold. There's a massive snow blizzard right now. It is cold. There's my car. Oh, oh my goodness, it's cold. Huh. Oh my goodness, there's a massive snow blizzard outside, like a storm. Holy shit. That was fucking crazy. Yeah, I know you guys probably can't see. Over there I had to deliver, food. I don't even know if it's worth it working today. Like, holy shit, there's a massive storm outside. Although I should be good to drive, I guess. The windows don't seem to be too foggy. But, I don't know. Just, yeah, turn this on over here. Alright. And I have the fans on in my car. So yeah. It's good that I, have the fans on. I don't know why this guy in front of me just decided to leave his car like that. He should have went like that way, maybe, I don't know. But yeah. I don't know, should I mean, the windows seem to be fine. But I do have a brush if I need it, which I might actually, I don't know. Yeah, I'll take a look. Hold on. Gonna do that a little bit. Then we got this side over here. I mean, the windows seem to be good mostly, but let's still scrub it just to be safe. Okay. It's really cold out there. Shit. Alright, wait, hold on. Alright, perfect. Alright, let's drive. Yeah, it's dangerous driving in this weather, that's for sure. Very dangerous. Camera, what the fuck? Okay, focus. Which way should I go? I don't know. Let's go. I don't know. Okay, what the fuck, camera? I'm sorry guys, my camera's being stupid. Alright, let's try to find a way out of here. Let's see here. Yeah, we can make a turn. Oh, camera, what the fuck? Why is my camera so stupid? Hey, look. It's my old workplace. You'll see it in just a sec. Yeah, that's where I used to work. This is where I used to work, guys. I always pass by this place. What the fuck? They built a bus stop here. There's now a bus stop. Damn, dude. That's crazy. I'll premiere this video, probably. Yeah, I'll make a premiere. Okay, seems to be fine right now. I managed to get rid of most of the fog, so that's really good. Okay, I'll kind of lessen it. So the air will still be blowing, but it'll just be a bit less. I should be good, I hope. I hope I can get home safely. Because this weather is very dangerous. We have a massive winter storm. Okay, fuck! Camera, what the fuck? Should I just make it like this? I don't know. My camera is being fucking stupid. Doesn't want to focus. But yeah, let's just try to make it back in one piece, not get in a car accident. This weather is fucking crazy. Holy shit. This is some survival shit right there. Alright. Alright, thank you, sir. Let me pass. I appreciate it. Yeah, this is some fucking crazy shit. Like, I can't even see my surroundings. Like, look at this weather. Holy fuck. This is some crazy weather. Whoa, you gotta be really careful driving here. That's for sure. Damn. Crazy weather. Wait, let's, hold on. If I make the camera back how it was, will it eventually focus or not? That's what I'm wondering. I guess not. That's kind of stupid. Oh, jeez. This is some crazy weather. Holy fuck. I don't know what time I should premiere this video. Holy fuck. It's okay, we'll find our way back. I mean, I know my way. Sorry, I meant to say I'll make it back in one piece. I hope I don't die. I'm gonna fucking die here. Crazy weather. Hey, at least my car is nice and clean now, so that's a positive. Winter blizzard. Winter metal. Alright, let's see. Okay, we're good, we're good. Pray for me that I live. That I don't crash and die. That's such a fucked up way to die. Oh shit. Because this guy has a signal on, what the fuck? But he's not making a turn, that's fucking weird. Okay, let's go. Fuck, my dad is calling me. But I can't answer right now. I'll just answer when I can. My dad was calling me. Okay. Yeah, I'll try to get back to my dad as soon as I can. I don't want to answer the phone right now. It's a bit risky. I'm driving and everything. I don't know, honestly, this weather is so dangerous. I'm pretty sure he called me regarding the weather. I'm pretty sure. Is it even worth it working today? Because, I mean, yeah, I did an order just now, but it's so fucking dangerous to drive. However, it got better because my car is facing the other way since I'm heading back home, right? And actually, most of the snow is not getting on my windshield, so that's really good. Because when I was facing the other way, right, it was so fucking hard to see. I could barely see anything. It was fucking dangerous. But since my car is facing the other way, it's a lot safer. Yeah, dude, this weather's fucking crazy. You can see how intense the blizzard is. Yeah, be really safe if you're driving, guys. Because this weather is really fucked up. Like, this is some crazy shit. Now, I love this weather, but driving in this weather is no joke. It's really dangerous. But I'm almost home, so thank goodness for that. Yeah, I'll call my dad as soon as I'm back. Okay. Be really careful here. Yeah, very massive snowstorm. It's not safe at all to drive in this weather, so anyone who's driving, be really safe. You know, turn your fan on, make sure the fog melts off your windows so you could see better. Brush the windows if you have to. And most importantly, damn, my mom's calling me now. Okay, bye guys, I'm just gonna answer.